Give man a fish and he will eat for a day. Teach him how to fish and he will eat for lifetime. Welcome to the channel, guys. See, guys, trading is not a rocket science. Yes, it is rocket science for people who don't know the right techniques, the right way to trade. Obviously, you will suffer losses if you don't know that. Few days back, I actually, like, if you're watching my videos, few days back, I shared one video with you that I have exited from all my positions. There was a reason attached to it, and I shared that reason with you. I did not trade after that for 2 days, and the pure reason was market was actually trading at the peak, at the edge. And what happens when market is trading at the top? Will it go up? For how long it will go up? Someday it has to come down. It has to give a correction. And if you look at world market, US market is down, S&P 500 is down, European market is down, Asian market is down. In fact, Beijing, there is the China, there is a major problem happening with the Chinese economy. The biggest real estate company is on the verge of bankruptcy. See, guys, if you see all these scenarios, what is it indicating? This is the same thing which has happened today. This correction was meant to happen, and from past few days, market was going up. Obviously, today's correction, and I'm expecting the same trend tomorrow also. Maybe for let's see for how many days or till how long this correction will go on. Anyways, let's start with the EOD analysis for 20th of September. Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are new to the channel, guys, please subscribe the channel. Here we will be doing analysis with the CPR and pivot points. I am taking 3 time frames, short time frame 3 minutes, 30 minutes time frame, and 1 day. Guys, see, whatever I am teaching you, whatever I am showing you in my EOD analysis is not rocket science, and I'm not hiding anything from you. Everything is here. Whatever is happening in the market, there is a reason attached to it. We don't do fundamental analysis, that is news driven trading. We do technical analysis, that is chart driven trading. The chart will tell you each and everything, when to buy, when to sell, but you should know how to read a chart. If you don't know how to read a chart, I'm so sorry. Now, what we can do? Let me show you what happened in the market today, and ask yourself, once the video is over, was it difficult? Was reading a chart that difficult? And if you really know how to read a chart, you can actually trade, and you can trade with profits. I will never be sharing any tips with you. I will never tell you take this trade or this trade. You yourself will be able to do all these things. You don't have to ask anyone for any trade. And this is the reason I actually shared this quotation with you. I don't want to give you a fish every day. I want to teach you how to fish so that you can eat that for a lifetime and share it with your loved one also. So with this thought, let's start our today's EOD analysis. Guys, if you're watching my videos, you already know what happened today. Market actually opened with a big gap down, and I have already told you, when such a gap up happens, it will definitely come back to fill this gap. However, we need to know why market stopped here, why this reversal happened. I have already told you the correlation between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's check Nifty. I'm telling you this chart, which is 3 minutes. Now let's check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty obviously also opened with a gap down, and there was a virgin CPR here. See this virgin CPR, and actually it went down but took support from the bottom virgin CPR. if you can see this. And this is a point where you will understand Nifty also took support and took a reversal. Now there was support 1, it broke support 1, which was actually behaving as resistance. I have already shared in my previous videos. A support can behave as resistance, and resistance can also behave as support. You can watch my videos in the channel. If you are new to the channel, the concept is already given. So it gave a breakout, and we know that it will definitely going to touch the CPR and test. So here the reversal happened. The resistance was high, the resistance was strong. Why it was strong? I have already shared in my videos. CPR are the best resistance and support provider to the market. If it is thick, it is giving strong resistance and support. If it is thin, it is not giving that much support and resistance to the market. However, it will give. So same thing happened here. Market faced the resistance and came back. A reversal happened. Again, it tried, and same thing. It could not breach it because the same resistance at the same point, the resistance was so strong that it could not it could not break the CPR. So what will happen if 2 times a guest is coming to your door? Once he knocked, you did not open the door. Second time he tried again, you did not open the door. What will happen? He'll go back. Same thing happened here. Market went in opposite direction, and it took support somewhere here and reversed from here, and then it crashed and actually reached support 2. So the support 2 has been crashed also. What all trades you can take here in Nifty? Trade number 1, as soon as you see the reversal after breaking the support 1, which was behaving as resistance, you could have taken 1 trade here and exited somewhere here. Trade number 1. Trade number 2, market gave a reversal here. You should have waited. Definitely. Again tested this CPR. So this is the time after which you will take this second trade. This is Nifty, guys, and you will stop somewhere here. And once it has broken here you will take the third trade. Was it difficult, guys? No, it is not difficult. You need to take the knowledge. A lot of people take knowledge. Is everyone taking the right knowledge? Knowledge has to be right or wrong. If somebody is taking a wrong knowledge, what will happen? Trade number 1, trade number 2, trade number 3. You can easily judge yourself what trades you can take. Let's see Bank Nifty. Same thing happened. Gap down, took support from Virgin CPR, broke the support 1. Here you can take the trade. Trade number 1, let it reach. It is a short trade, does not matter. Don't get into losses. If you are taking a short duration trade, it's fine. Now, I have already told you in my previous videos, whenever market enters into CPR zone, don't trade. It is good for people who are shorting, people who are taking short positions. It is good. However, we will talk in our future videos what we will do, and the detailed version will be in the webinar. Guys, I'm really sorry. A lot of people are asking me again for the webinar course. Give me some time. The website is still not done. So as soon as it is done, I'll give you the details. So number 1, tried to breach, cannot. Tried here again, cannot breach. Thrice, cannot breach. What will happen? 3 times a guest will come to your house. Take it 2 times, guys. no issues. Think this is a time when you can short the market. Put stop loss somewhere here above CPR and stop it here. So trade number 1, trade number 2, and this is the point where you will take trade number 3. See guys, I want to tell you something. Whatever I tell you here is sufficient to gain knowledge. However, my detailed description about the trades, how to take trades and how to get into it, what is a trading plan, what is a trading strategy, all these things, risk management, a lot of things, trading psychology, everything will be there in the webinar. So once you take the webinar, you will be the person who can actually fish in the market. So there is a third trade here. And you know the reason why it is happening? It is happening because the world market is crashing. Let me show you one thing. Just a second. I am showing you here daily chart of Bank Nifty. See guys, this is the time here where I exited somewhere. See, I can be wrong. I'm not saying I have to be right every time, but we trade with our chart analysis, and whatever chart is saying, we'll just go with that. No one in the trading world can give you 100% accuracy. Even if it is close to 50 is very good. If you're getting 50% or 40% accuracy also, that is wonderful. You just have to control one thing. Let your profits go high and your losses low. See, this is the point here. Let me draw one line. I am showing you Bank Nifty daily chart frame. I'm drawing one line here and see what happened actually. This line. So somewhere in February, market reached this level, and market after like 7-8 months, it actually went again to test. So look at this, market could not breach it. There was this candle which actually went up but came down. It was something like a doji candle, indecisive candle. I will be talking about price action also in my future videos. So this candle, it was a false breakout. So when you see such candles, and I am actually talking about day before yesterday, this candle was made somewhere around Thursday or like Friday it was made. So there are a lot of indications where you can see that market will turn from here. Guys, if you have any query or if you have any suggestion for the channel, please, I will be very happy. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. I'll be getting more motivation to do videos. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.